Hello everyone, I'm Sally, glad to introduce for you how to install and use our DAQIN mobile phone screen protector cutting machine. This is a small accessory bag. This is the air fan. This is a power cord. This is a power socket. This is the exhaust pipe. This is the water pump. This is the air compressor. Let's take a look at the accessories in the accessory bag. This is the earth wire, the air pipe of the air compressor, the software installation CD, the soft dock, the USB cable, the fork length adjustment block, the internal hexagonal wrench, the glass fuse. After received the machine, please check if you received all the above accessories. This is the water pipe. This is a copper nozzle. Install the copper nozzle on the water pipe. There are two water pipes on the back of the machine, water in pipe and water out pipe. Connect the water in pipe to the copper nozzle. Put the water pipe into the water container. Then put the water out pipe into container and connect the power of water pipe to the machine. This is the air compressor. The copper nozzle. And a transparent air pipe. Firstly, install the copper nozzle on the air compressor. Connect the transparent pipe to the copper nozzle. Then find the black air pipe. Connect the black air pipe to the transparent one. The other end, connect the blue point on the back of the machine. On the back of the machine, you can see a part with grooves for holding the air fan. Air fan can be placed in any directions. depends on your need. Connect the power to the machine. Then connect the one end of the exhaust pipe to the air fan. The other end connects to the well-ventilated place. You can see the mark on the right side of the machine. The earth wire should be tied on the screw. Tie a nail to the other end of the earth wire and hammer it into the earth. If not allowed under your situation, try to tie the earth wire to the wall or any iron object that connects with the earth. The last step, connect the machine power and the air compressor power.